Okay, folks, in this video, I want to talk about how to set your ingredients into different groups so that they appear in different groups on the shopping list. I'll show you what I mean here. We will generate a shopping list. And we can see here that we have things like Chinese rice wine in beverages. And yeah, like that'd be non-alcoholic. I was surprised that that's actually classified as a beverage. But we have fats and oils, fresh vegetables, and fruits and grains, and herbs and spices and legumes, etc. So we're going to show you now how to set that up. We need to go into WordPress recipe maker, and it's actually an interesting thing to note about the shopping list that if you're familiar with a certain supermarket, say Aldi, that if you know, I've seen people actually set up recipe sites where they talk about the specials from a certain, the special offers from a certain supermarket every week, and they associate their recipes with the weekly special offers, so they know that most of the website visitors that are going to their website are going to be shopping in a particular brand of supermarket. And the thing is, all those supermarkets are laid out the same way. So if you're familiar with the supermarket, you could actually make sure that all the ingredients that are close together and in the same sections you have together in groups for the shopping list. So, you know, you're making your service really, really useful for them. So it's an interesting point to take note. I think it was a person over in England that was doing a local website as well for the local supermarket, you know, talking about the weekly ingredients there, and the same thing, that you could lay out the shopping list in a particular way for them to make it as easy as possible that they have a stress-free shopping experience. So we want to go into recipe fields and ingredients. And again, folks, it's important to note that we have everything turned on up the top that we need. There's even a plural option group there, and shopping list group is there. So we want bulk edit, and we want the name, and there we are. So I'm going to show you, actually, I have things there now that aren't in a group. So I'm just going to, what have I got there? Fresh mint leaves and cloves of garlic. Well, fresh mint be herbs, it wouldn't be a vegetable. Scotch bonnet is a vegetable. So there we are. We can actually select more than one at a time, is the point I'm getting at. You don't have to do these individually, which is brilliant, because if you did, it'd be, if you're putting in a lot of ingredients, it would get very, very tedious. So cloves of garlic and Scotch bonnet chili. And I want to go over here now to bulk edit 2 ingredients. Change shopping list group. We've different options there now, but that's the one we want. And sugar. Bulk edit 2 ingredients. Change the group. Oh yeah, and put the group here. So FRES VEGETABLES, fresh vegetables, like that. And it's as simple as that. And then if you want to change it, folks, you just do that and put in the change, okay? So it's as simple as that. Yeah, you know. And the thing is, when you're starting up your site, you're going to have to do this at the start if you're doing the shopping list categories. But the great thing is, as you reuse the same ingredients all the time, that the plugin will automatically pick up what group they're in. So you only have to do this once. It's only when you're adding a new ingredient that you put it into the whatever group is applicable for it. So hopefully that explains now the shopping list groups, folks. And that's it. See you in the next video.